Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. This is Farhan Khan, your learning partner. In today's video, we'll try to understand if it is possible to send an email to a user or anybody using Power Apps but not integrating Power Automate Flow into it. So what we want is we would like to create a standalone application from where we can send an email to a user. And we would like to create this sort of experience where we can specify username, where you can specify subject and the rich text as well. Let's see how we can do it. Go to your Power App dashboard, click on blank app, create a Canvas app, mail app, I'll name it. Let it get loaded first. I'll zoom it in. What I'll do is I'll create or I'll take a text input first where I can specify to where I would like to send an email, keep it as blank, and I'll take it again where I will specify the subject, and for rich text we can take rich text editor. Now I add some labels as well. Increase the font size. I'll change the color of it. I'll name it as subject. Name it as body. I'm reusing the same label again and again so that I don't have to go to insert option and take it again. Over here I'll write send an email app. I'll centerline this and I'll also add a send button. Increase the height of it a bit. I'll take it to this and make it send. I'll change the color of it to white and I'll keep the font color as dark blue. And I'll also increase font size. So now if you see this kind of giving me an expression or a visualization that I can send an email to anybody using this screen. So what I need to do for this, first of all, go to your data, add Outlook connected. Why we are using Outlook connected? Because we are trying to send an email without using Flow. I'll select this, I'll select my connection. The click of send button, what I want is it should send an email. So I'll select Office 365 Outlook, drag it down to send an email, version 2. Now, if you see over here, it is asking for three different parameters. So what are these parameters? To whom I'm planning to send an email to, subject of my email, and the body, whatever I would like to mention in that email. I'll quickly go ahead and change the name of it. I'll keep it as txt2 so that it is easily understandable. I'll change to txt subject. and I'll change this one as rich text body. So now go to send button again. For txt, I'll mention txt to dot text for 2, comma. Now if you see, subject is getting highlighted over here. So I need to specify from where my app should take a subject. So I'll specify txt subject dot text, comma. Now if you see, it is asking for body. So what I need to mention over here is from where it should take a body of that email. So I'll mention rich text body dot, not text but HTML text. Why? Because I'm using rich text over here. I'll close the bracket. I'll play the app. So now if you see, we have this ready. What I have done it over here, I have already kept my email address ready. I'll quickly go ahead and paste it. Okay, in the subject, I'll mention my first mail from PowerApps. In the rich text, I'll mention, hi, this is our first mail using PowerApps. Thanks. What you can do is in the rich text, you can increase size of it. If you want, you can make it bold, italic, underline, and these are the other options available as well. So let's try, and if it is possible to send an email. So what I'll do is I'll just quickly go ahead and click on the send button. Now let's go to this email address and see if we have received this email or not. I'll refresh it again. It might take a minute or two. See, I have received an email which states that this is my first email from PowerApps from Farhan Khan 0119. That's my email address of my tenant. And this is the body which I mentioned it over here. You see, this is highly possible. You can send an email to anybody using Power Apps without incorporating your flows in it. I hope you like the video and thank you for your time. Have a nice day.